Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. And so today we are going to be evaluating eBay, right? And basically see if it's something that you can actually do, right, on yourself to kind of earn some extra cash. And basically what is actually involved here. So eBay basically is an e-commerce web platform, as you can. I think most of you know about eBay, right? And here you can create your store and basically sell a bunch of things, right? As you can see, there are a lot of things that you can sell here. There are laptops, right? Parts, cell phones, smartphones, things like that. Different items you can actually sell here. So personally, I've actually bought a couple of things from eBay, and actually being a seller here, yes, you have to be a little bit approved, but it's not that difficult as most people think about it. So I did a little bit of research on eBay, but eBay does have a bad rating, right? But most of these is usually the reviews from buyers. Now, these are buyers that are kind of stressed and they basically hate buying from these sellers, right? Now, as a buyer myself, right, I've actually experienced a lot of problems when buying stuff on eBay. Sometimes you buy things and they don't arrive or they get lost and things like that. So it's actually very bad. So as you can see that I have, this is actually my profile right here. And yeah, you can actually see that I created this in September 2016, right? And I've bought a lot of things since then. I'm sorry, I'm just joking, not a lot of things, but a couple of them, right? And one of them, they're not that expensive. Sometimes they're just $29, maybe $12, $15, you know, €2, very small things, right? But it was just fun. The problem is, especially with ordering on eBay, it takes forever, right? And some of the things didn't arrive, right? But again, you can find quality stuff, right? Very quality stuff. Now, as you can see, like there are many people that can sell here, and this is one of the people that actually bought stuff from. So some are not like shops, like registered shops and things like that. It's some just normal people, especially people that have second-hand things and they sell on eBay, right? If you got a phone and you want to get rid of it, you can actually sell it on eBay. Yeah, you can actually read some of the reviews right here, and but mostly these will be from customers, right? But yeah, there's some that are from sellers like this one. It says they took all my money on the fees, so you don't sell here, right? So yeah, they are bad reviews, like literally 84%. Now, yeah, the guys, this is another way in which you can make some extra cash online. You can create your online store on eBay and basically start selling. But though the problem that you're going to face, of course, you will have to know about where you are, really depending on where you are. Know more about your post service. Now, does your postal service allow you to send things, especially cheaper prices, right? That's the problem with eBay. Unlike drop shipping, where you don't have to own those kind of products, where you need to simply just refer people. With eBay, you need to own these products, right? And you need to ship the product yourself to the customer's address. But with the drop shipping, you don't have to do that. All you need to just enter the address, and the main shop will send those items directly to the customer. So this is all about eBay, guys. And again, just comment down below on what you think about it, and if you think it's actually easy, and if you have had previously a shop on eBay, just comment below and share your experiences. So apart from this, I will say thank you for watching this video. Until then, I'll see you on the next one.